Over here, this is where things get a little bit more intense. So today is a tryout video for myself as well. I found a new trend in the Asian makeup scene, and that is basically like separated eyelashes kind of look, okay, which is like very weird on first look, but when you look from far, Korean idols look very good in it, so I wanted to try them out myself. It does is basically it encourages you to clump your eyelashes together in like little bunches of like grass looking eyelash thing, you know. I saw a video on YouTube that teaches you how to do it. I will link that down below. I made a shortened version of it because this girl, I have no time to do such a long thing, okay? So I'm just gonna do a very simple version of it. But if you are interested in the full video, you can find that down below. First things first, as usual, is always to curl your eyelash, okay? So curling your eyelash, I've taught you guys. I have taught you guys before. You can look at the full tutorial on how to curl your lashes over right here. Over here, this is where things get a little bit more intense, okay? So here, you're gonna take your favorite mascara. You can take any sort of mascara basically, but you want to have a wand that you can control very well. You'll be doing it section by section. We are not gonna be using it like a normal mascara where you just go on the whole lash like that. No, this is gonna take quite a while. But bear with me. I'm gonna take my favorite mascara as usual from Heroine Make. This is like my favorite brand for mascaras. Okay, this really works. Singapore is so hot, y'all don't understand. Okay, it's hot 24/7, 365 days a year. So I need a mascara that lasts very well in this humid and hot weather. So let me bring you guys closer so that you can see my eyelash closely. Okay. Oh shit, this is the closest. Let me change a lens, friends. So we'll be using the tip of the wand. So make sure that you remove all the extra product because you don't need this. So what you will also need will be a tweezer like that. How they do it is to put a little bit of mascara and then they use a tweezer to stick it together. Okay, so this is basically what the secret trick is. And I chose the bluntest one that I have because all my other tweezers are really sharp. You are going very close to your eyes and just be very careful with it. Okay, don't poke your eyes because it's gonna hurt a lot. Be careful, okay? Don't get blind because you want to try this girl idol lashes, okay? You don't want to be doing this to your eyes, but what you want to do is to use the tip of the mascara, okay? Just the tip. And you want to put it together starting from the front of your eyelash. It's fine if they start clumping up. Then you want to stick it together. And I'm gonna try it on the second bunch. It's our third bunch right there. I'm feeling so weird, but okay. Now that the first layer is done, you want to put more on your tweezer. Do a squeezing motion again. So over here, we're doing a bit of this. So after after you do your upper lash and separated it like that, you want to do your lower lash. So this is the before and after look. To be honest, it almost feels like I have fake eyelashes on, but when I go close, it looks very weird, but from far, it actually looks okay. So doing this again on this eye, starting from the front part of my eye. Okay, so that's done, and this is basically how it looks. What do I think about it? It takes them a lot of time, okay? In the video itself, there was a last step, which was to curl your eyelashes with a fire stick, a firewood stick, basically a wood stick that is burnt with fire already, just to heat it up so it works like a heated eyelash curler. I have no time for that, so I didn't do that, but if you guys want to learn how to do that, you can go and watch the video, okay? From far, it really looks okay, but from close up, it looks a little bit wonky and a bit clumpy and a bit weird. People will be like, why are you doing this to your eyelash, you know? People think you're weird though, okay? To be honest, I can really understand why people kind of like this eyelash. It gives you an illusion that you have really long lashes, and it's not like super voluminous like when you put fake eyelash, but it gives you a very natural yet very long kind of lashes, which is quite good, I would say. So I would also encourage you guys to use fiber mascaras as well, as it lengthens your eyelash, and I'm sure it will make this look even better. So go and try that out. I feel like because of how you use the mascara and how much mascara there is per bunch, it would keep your eyelashes up. And yeah, so I haven't thought about how difficult it is to remove, but I would think that it's gonna be difficult. So hopefully it's easy to remove, because normally, even with like just normal mascara, my mascara takes a long while to remove, okay? And it's very tugging on the eyes, and that's why I try not to use mascara all the time. And today, this is like a load full of mascara on my eyelashes. So I hope that when I'm removing it, my eyelashes don't drop out. If not, I'm gonna be like bald on my eye. But my end review of this is, it really takes a lot of time, and seriously, who has the time for this? Because I only have like 5 minutes to 10 minutes in the morning to get ready, and I literally took like, I don't know, like 20 minutes per eye or something. I don't know, I took really long. I would think I would only do this like never. Yeah, literally like never, unless if I have a makeup artist doing makeup for me, maybe I will do this. I'd rather go and sleep, or I'd rather go and eat something nice, you know? But nonetheless, I encourage you guys to go and try it out yourself, because you will never know if you really like the look or not unless you try it on your own eyelashes. Okay, so that's all I have for today. As usual, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!